Well, ladies and gentlemen, it just gets worse for the turd. Amber Heard faces a new legal battle. This time it's actually with her insurer over the Johnny Depp suit. She was hell-bent on her insurer covering all of this. Covering the fees, covering the payouts, covering everything, right? That's what she was banking on. That's what she was hoping. But alas, no. That is not happening. Well, I say alas. I mean alas for her, not for anyone else. No one else really cares. But they are seemingly refusing to pay because she intentionally and maliciously defamed Johnny Depp, which actually breaks the contract that she has with them, which means they don't have to pay out. Now, they were only going to be paying out $1 million. Only. But it is only when you're dealing with over 3.35 million. 8.35 million. So, let's check this out. Amber Heard is facing a legal battle on a new front, this time with her insurance company. Now, the company itself is New York Marine and General Insurance Company. And they I can't believe this. They filed a lawsuit against the Aquaman actress, Amber Heard, on Friday in federal court. This is the point where I'd normally look at the screen, but I've been outside having a barbecue, so I'm topless, so I'm not turning my camera on. But this is the time where I'd normally look at the screen and just giggle to myself, because good God, they filed a lawsuit against her. It's so funny. Seeking to avoid having to pay Heard after her unsuccessful defence of a defamation lawsuit which was brought against her by Johnny Depp. So the insurance company said in the lawsuit that it doesn't believe it has an ongoing obligation to defend Heard. Another insurance company is also providing coverage to Heard. So there's two companies, right? But New York Marine Company said an actual controversy has arisen and now exists between plaintiff on the one hand and Heard on the other hand, with regard to the duties and obligations owed between plaintiff and Heard under the policy with respect to indemnity for her actions in the Johnny Depp case, New York Marine said in its complaint. So James P. Wagner, attorney for New York Marine, declined to comment, but that's what they said. A spokesperson, I cannot believe she's got a lawsuit against her. It's so funny. It makes me laugh so much. A spokesman for Heard has declined to comment on Saturday, and another insurance company, Travelers Commercial Insurance, has spent and continues to spend substantial sums for Heard's defence under a homeowner's insurance policy it provided in 2018, according to court filings. And it is now pursuing New York Marine for its share of the cost. So, what you've got... My God, what an absolute shitfuckery this is. So, you have Amber Heard in the middle of this going, right, I've got these two companies, they're going to pay for everything because I'm a dirtbag and I don't have any money. So they're going to pay for it all. One of them's gone, nah. No thanks, mate. You intentionally defamed him, so no, that breaks your contract, so we ain't covering that. And then the other one, Travelers Commercial, has gone, sorry, what? I thought we're going halfsies. You mean we'll pay it all? Nah, mate. We're going to come in now. And now we're going to try and sue you as well. It's just a love triangle of suing. Oh, it's so funny. The New York Marine complaint lodged in U.S. District Court in California on Friday is the latest potential legal challenge for Heard. It comes a little more than a month after the verdict in the drawn-out trial. Now, Depp obviously denied those allegations. He won, so that was fine. Now this is what's happened, right? So Depp won 3 claims against Heard, while Heard won 1 of 3 claims she brought against Depp. Now her insurance company says it does not believe it has to pay Heard on the policy, which provided liability protection up to $1 million. So they don't want to pay out $1 million, which is the maximum she's going to be asking for. The lawsuit said the insurance company had written a policy for Heard in 2019. Plaintiff contends it has no duty to defend Heard based on California Insurance Code 533, the insurance company said in its complaint. The state code provides that an insurer is not liable for a loss caused by the willful act of the insured, the lawsuit said. Meaning, because the verdict states that she willfully and maliciously defamed Depp, they don't need to pay. So the insurer said it had initially advised Heard it would provide a legal defence, but under California law it did not have to provide an indemnity for her actions. So she was already warned. The jury's factual findings established that Heard's liability is caused by the willful acts of Heard. I mean, it seems pretty open and closed, doesn't it? She's incurred at least $6 million in attorney fees, according to testimony. That was Elaine Brederhoff saying that. Closing speech. Closing argument. So the Travelers Insurance is now suing New York Marine for an equitable contribution towards defence expenses, according to filings in 2021 in US District Court in California. It was literally just a merry-go-round of lawsuits. Travelers said in its complaint that New York Marine should have to pay at least half of the defence costs. The homeowners policy Travelers issued to Heard in 2018 includes covered or potentially covered damages because of defamation, and promised a defence to any lawsuit seeking such damages, according to the complaint. At issue is whether New York Marine is liable for costs associated with an independently appointed defence counsel for Heard versus one appointed by the insurance company, and whether New York Marine will be liable for any award made against Heard. New York Marine denied some of the allegations and have now countersued, according to court filings. The case is pending, the resolution of the defamation case. Oh my god, what a joke this whole thing is. So funny. New legal battle for Amber. What do you think? I'm having a whale of a time with this. Also, ladies and gentlemen, consider checking out my Teespring store. Supporting the channel via this way does go a long way. But also, not only that, you do get to wear some awesome merch. These are one-of-a-kind designs designed for me by my graphic designer. We, of course, have our Clown World line, which is in mugs, hoodies, t-shirts. We've got Space Jeebus. And then for something a little bit different, we, of course, have right down at the bottom right here, we have our Pulsar GTIR. Also, ladies and gentlemen, consider checking out and supporting my second channel, which is Car Nonsense. This is a vlog and car channel. You can find links to this in the description box, along with my Teespring. Please do consider supporting.